everyone, Pseudo here with Visualize LED and my church, and I'm coming to you today with a troubleshooting video for those of you using Propresenter on your Mac Minis. Now, here's the situation. Try to think of how you can get your confidence monitor and your main monitor and the output to show at the same time. And unfortunately, Mac Minis do not support more than 2 monitors and 2 outputs. So what ends up happening is that you only have your main monitor out and your screen out, your LED out, or whatever you're using to project. Now, MacBook Pros do have the capability to output 2 more screens other than their main screen, and so do the iMac desktops. So you can run Propresenter on your main screen for the operator, on the output, and you can have a confidence monitor wherever you place it. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a separate video. However, on this video we're focusing on the Mac Mini. And so what we have done here at my church is that we had to get an HDMI splitter, and what you're going to see is the HDMI splitter HD104, and this particular one will shoot out the same HDMI signal to 4 different TVs or outputs. So that's how we've done it. So now we have the capability to put the main operator on one screen and the output on another screen. Unfortunately, we cannot have the confidence monitor up how we need it to. However, we are able to at least have the same lyrics and motion graphics on both screens so that everybody can see it all the way around the building. So with that being said, let's go and figure this out, because when you first turn it on, it might look something like this, where it has the main screen on both the operator side and on the output. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go into our system preferences, and we're going to go into displays, and we're going to make sure that on the arrangement that we're not mirrored. We're going to turn that off. Now once that's done, what you're going to do is, if you click on this main screen and you click on the actual screen, you'll see that it turns red around it. That tells you the output that you're clicking on. And then if you go out to this one, when you actually look out onto the screen, you should see it as a border around your output screen. Now, when you hit the output, let's go into the output, you might get something like this, a black screen. You'll see the X if you kind of come around. That just means that your main screen, your main output, is going into your operator's screen, and you don't want that. Let's go click that X. Let's get out of there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hit Command, comma, and that's gonna take you to your preferences, and we're gonna go here to display. Click on display, and you'll notice here that you have 2 screens. This one says output, this one says stage display. This is for the confidence monitor. We're not going to use that right now. Here's the situation. These are backwards. We're going to take them, and you're going to drag them and flip them around, and now you'll see that they turn around. Now when you close out of that and you go to the output, now it's out in the house. So whenever you click, now your operator has control, and the people on the front won't see it, but you will see it. Now when the operator is working their magic, the audience will not be seeing what he'll be seeing or she will be seeing. The audience will only see what's being projected out, and you will be able to properly operate Propresenter without problems. I hope that this helps you out, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to email me at pseudo@visualizeled.com, or visit our website for more information on how to rent, buy, or get your hands on some really sweet LED panels. visualizeled.com. God bless you, and we'll see you soon.